This is how to write a matrix in Overleaf. Go to Overleaf and from your project dashboard, select a project, or you can create a new project. We will create a new project and we'll start with a blank project. We'll name this as matrix and let's create. We will use a math package and we will put it under graphic X. Okay, we will use package. It will be AMS math. And then we will write our first matrix. We will write it under document. Okay, we will remove this. We will start by adding backslash, square bracket. Okay, we'll hit enter. Then we will type backslash again. We will use begin. And inside this parenthesis, we will type B matrix. And we will end this with B matrix, and in between we will write our matrices. Okay, we'll start with up to 4 numbers. So let's say 1 space ampersand 2, and to start a new line, just type 2 backslashes, hit enter. We'll type 4 ampersand and 3. Then let's recompile. And we have our matrix. And if you want to add more numbers, let's say 5. We'll use ampersand 5. Here again, say 6. And just recompile. And you have your 3x2 matrix. So this is how to write a matrix in Overleaf.